Listen, Sadie, I hope it's not too superficial of me to show you my mind. I mean, it's not like I was that pretty anyway. There's not much to take away from my soul. I mean, it's not like I was that pretty anyway. Listen, Sadie, I hope it's not too superficial of me to show you my mind. I mean, it's not like I was that pretty anyway. There's not much to take away from my soul. Listen, Sadie, I hope it's not too superficial of me to show you my mind. I mean, it's not like I was that pretty anyway. There's not much to take away from my soul.
Being a producer is like being a shepherd of kittens, and you have to get them to a fountain of milk. But you don't really have control over kittens, right? All you can do is just kind of shepherd them there.
I am not there when you're looking. It's quiet as 6 feet underground. No stopping here, just keep walking. You won't find me this time. Over and over, you tried to pin me over and over. Just let me be free. Over and over, somehow you bring me over again, over again. Stay down, can't you see? You're taking over me. Lay low, just stay cool and set me free. Don't know what it is that gets to me. Somehow it all comes back to you. Somehow it all comes back to you. A second where all paths are open. This feeling like nothing can bring me down. I stray past a window of freedom, but I won't take the lead. Over and over, you tried to pin me over and over. Just let me be free. Over and over, somehow you bring me over again. Stay down, can't you see? You're taking over me. Lay low, just stay cool and set me free. Don't know what it is that gets to me. Somehow it all comes back to you. Come back to me, back to me. Why did you leave? Back to me. It's you and me. It's you and me. Over again. Over and over. Back to me. Why did you leave? Over again. And over. Somehow you bring me over and over. You tried to pin me over and over. Just let me be free. Over and over. Somehow you bring me over again. Stay down, can't you see? You tried to pin me over. Lay low, just stay cool. Just let me be free. Don't know what it is. Somehow you bring me. Somehow it all comes back to you.
I usually don't give a fuck about you, but lately I've been kinda stuck with you. I'm so used to being tough with you. It's something about the way you talk to me. Don't know what the fuck is happening. I usually don't let you get to me, but this time you did. You make me vulnerable, stuck in the shadows so I won't get burned. Love means tears and I'm about to drown. Turn it all upside down. I hate the way you make me fall in love. Hate the way you make me fall in love. Hate the way you make me fall in love. Love. Hate the way you make me fall in. You don't live by any rules. Make me feel like I'm the fool. No one's ever made me feel like you do. You're crossing every line I have, and every single fucking time I can say there's nothing I don't like about it. I won't get burned. Love means tears and I'm about to drown. Turn it all upside down. I hate the way you make me fall in love. Hate the way you make me fall in love. Hate the way you make me fall in love. Love, hate the way you make me fall in love. Hate to fall in love. But I keep on falling. Love. Hate to fall in. Love. But I keep on falling in love. Hate the way you make me fall in love. Hate the way you make me fall in love. Hate the way you make me fall in love.